Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we'll be replacing the screen and battery of the Lenovo Yoga 530s. Before starting, ensure you have the following tools: a Torx T5 screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. Now, let's begin. First, power off your device and disconnect it from any power source. Next, remove the rubber feet from the base using the plastic spudger. Underneath, you'll find screws that need to be removed with your Torx T5 screwdriver. Keep these screws organized, as they will be reused later. Once all the screws are removed, gently lift the bottom cover off. Be cautious as there are clips holding it in place. If you encounter resistance, double-check that all screws are removed. Now, we have access to the internal components of the laptop. Next, locate the battery. It's usually secured by a few screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew them. Once the screws are removed, disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. If you're unsure about any step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so feel free to reach out for assistance. Now, let's proceed to the screen replacement. You'll need to carefully detach the display panel from its hinges. This requires removing the screws located at the hinges. After unscrewing, gently lift the display away from the base. If you're not comfortable with disassembly, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring no calls or travel are necessary. With the screen removed, disconnect the display cable by gently pulling it from the motherboard. Take your new screen and connect the display cable before securing it back into the hinges. Make sure the connection is firm to avoid issues later. Before we reassemble, this is a good time to clean any dust inside the laptop using compressed air. Ensuring a clean interior can prolong the life of your device. Now, let's reattach the battery. Place it back into position, reconnect the battery connector, and secure it with the screws you previously removed. To finish, replace the bottom cover by aligning the clips and pressing down gently. Screw everything back into place, ensuring all screws are tightened properly. If you have any doubts during this process, remember we provide a quote before repair if you choose to seek professional help. This way, you can decide without any pressure. Finally, power on your device to ensure everything works properly. If the screen lights up and the laptop functions as expected, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the screen and battery of your Lenovo Yoga 530s. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.